जब आप पेपर बोट ये शब्द सुनते हो तब याद आती है बारिश, और उस बारिश के पानी में तैरने वाली कागज की कश्ती। ओरिगैमी में सबसे पहले हमने जो सीखा वो है पेपर बोट बनाना। आपके ख्यालों में तैरने वाली पेपर बोट आपको बचपन की यादों में ले जाती है। इसी नॉस्टैल्जिक फीलिंग को पेपर बोट ने अपने मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी में अपनाया। पेपर बोट इज एन इंडियन फ्रूट पल्प बेस्ड बेवरेज ब्रांड. It is manufactured by Hector Beverages, founded by नीरज कक्कर, नीरज बियानी, सुहास मिश्रा एंड जेम्स नॉडल. उन्होंने शुरुआत 2 ड्रिंक से की, आम पन्ना एंड जलजीरा. Their aim was to bring back traditional Indian drinks in the market with a contemporary touch. Soon other flavors like आमरस, काला खट्टा, कोकम, गोलगप्पे का पानी, इमली, चिली गावा, नीरमोर, लीची रस, कोकोनट were introduced. शुरुआत में पेपर बोट ओनली कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ऑन मार्केटिंग इट्स प्रोडक्ट ऑन डिजिटल मीडिया बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस. They did that through creative illustrations depicting childhood memories, transformed people's childhood stories into illustrations and doodles, and used various themes. Paperboat does not market its product, it markets the feeling of nostalgia. Paperboat's marketing, be it online or on traditional media, reeks of nostalgia. And this is evident through its various campaigns like Mommy and Our Little Secret, An Ode to Our Friendship, A Paperboat Ride Down the River of Memories, were the poems written and narrated by Gulzar Saab. Paperboat dwells on powerful storytelling through its short format videos like My First Train Ride, Rizwan, When I Grow Up, Jab Bacche The, and more. The brand aims to take you on a ride down the river of memories in a paperboat. After all, its tagline is Drinks and Memories. They have not restricted their content marketing to just screens. They have put it down on paper by using their packaging as well. The packaging carries little stories. You will also find humorous hidden messages at the bottom of every pack. Before them, the only way to get traditional drinks like kokum, aam panna, sugarcane, neera, etc. was from a local vendor. Paperboat entered the market with the Blue Ocean strategy. The brand's target group was the youth typically between the age of 20 to 40. Most of them who have left their hometowns to move into bigger cities for jobs or higher studies. Their product aims to fulfill the craving of home through its ingredients and taste, and their marketing aims to make them relive the golden moments of childhood. To increase its reach, it partnered with Top Ramen, Indigo, and other food manufacturers with a large distribution network. Apart from making fruit juices, it has ventured into the production of thandai, chas, chikki, aam papad, etc. Even though it makes traditional Indian drinks, it has not restricted its product distribution to just India. The brand has targeted countries with dense Indian population like the United Arab Emirates, Malaysia, United Kingdom, and the United States of America. All in all, Paperboat's marketing strategy depicts the world through the eyes of a child. It retains the innocence of childhood and makes us reminisce memories that seem so distant. Paperboat's sheer attempt of keeping things simple and evoking feelings paved the way for its popularity and success.